Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to kind of share something that I've talked about in other videos several times. That's my hands. Now, if the camera will zoom on this, I have eczema on my hands. And the last 2 weeks ago we were out camping. My hands had gotten so dried out that they'd split and they cracked, and I still have like this, some scarring. And it was just, it was so painful when I was coming home. I actually, everything I was bringing in outside to carry like this because my hands hurt so much that I couldn't even use them. So something I'm going to try is I brought some wet ones. I got these at Target. It's like $1.49. So the idea is I can clean my hands down. They just happen to have Spider-Man on it. I can clean my hands down and remove any gunk and camp dirt and whatnot. So I can clean the hands down, wipe my fingers down. I've been wearing gloves out here. I wear gloves. I've been picking up trash, so I've been wearing gloves for that. And I always wear gloves when I work with wood, so one, I don't get splinters, but two, it keeps the gunk off my, it minimizes the amount of gunk I get on my hands. But then I can apply the real star of the video, and that's O'Keeffe's working hands. I'm going to try to find a smaller application for carrying them around. I think they have a small travel size. Wipe my hands off. But I've been using this at work as well, and it's actually been kind of nice. So I'm on the computer a lot, or I'm walking around, so just throw a little on your hands. I think they actually do make smaller containers. I think they actually make like the little disc. I'm gonna look into that. I get this at Target, so I'm a big believer in saving money everywhere you can. So I think it was like $6. And I don't know if Walmart has it for cheaper, but I might do what I can to keep my hands from just becoming, trash like they were. It was really quite painful. Basically, starting Monday after our weekend, I had like 5 bandages on both hands, just a little bit of what's that stuff called? Oh, Neosporin, and just put a bandage on. But I'm going to be trying out the working hands while I'm out here. It's not really, it's 3 ounces. And again, I'm going to try to look for a smaller one. I get the truck right there, so weight was not a factor. But I'm going to be trying to look for either a smaller container or like just go buy a small squeeze bottle and just squeeze some in myself. And then I can keep my hands from just getting destroyed out here. So even if you just have dry hands, this stuff is pretty nice, and it kind of dries quick too. It doesn't leave a nasty film all over your hands. So, and if you're curious about eczema, you can go to Google and go to Google Images. There are I've seen pictures that are pretty gnarly, and some people get them on their arms. I've seen them on, one guy had it on his, I think it was a guy, he had it on his back. His whole back was covered, and it looked quite painful. So working hands, I'll give you an update as I go, and I'll let you know how it's working for me. So maybe if that's something that, or if you just have dry hands, this stuff might be good for you. So far I'm liking it, because I should have taken a picture last week of what they looked like as a before and after, but I didn't think of it until, actually I didn't even think about it until today. So wet ones for cleaning, and then working hands for the, not to mention, wet ones is always good just for, washing, cleaning your hands and removing it, like, if you're using the toilet out here, or taking a whiz, whatever, or cooking, or you just want to keep your hands clean. So And I'm sure you can just throw these right in the fire when you're done. I mean, it weighs, I couldn't even tell you what the weight of this one little thing is, but I'd say it was really light. The whole package is, well, there's 20 in here, but it doesn't say what the weight of the package is. So maybe I'll go home and pop it on the scale. But you know, for $1.50, carry them in your car. Just out for the day, clean and in hands. So thought I'd share that. Thanks for watching as always, and we'll catch you in the next one.